Hey guys, Itshlengy I'm back again with another beautiful video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this really cute crop top which I saw from another girl on Pinterest. So this is what you're going to need. I bought this material, but it's a see-through material, so I'm going to be binding it so that my nipples won't show. Because I don't want to show it. So I'm going to be using my black t-shirts. You can use any type of t-shirts as a pattern to guide you when you're cutting the material, to make sure that you don't do any mistakes. So I didn't show you guys how I cut the material because my camera cuts. So this, I've put the pins so that I'm going to sew using my hands. So I'm not going to show you that process because it's long. So this is how I sewed the material. After sewing, I got so hungry, so I ended up eating Pringles because it's my favorite and I love them, and I love this flavor of cheese. Okay, so now I'm going to sew it together and then iron the top so it won't look horrible when I am done. So now I have to sew the straps, which is done already, so I have to put them together. So if you guys are really interested in fashion and these fashion videos that I do, make sure to subscribe. If you're into skincare, hair and food, also make sure to subscribe because I also do that. So I'm putting this is how the top looks like, and I really love this top, guys. It's amazing. It looks good. Hit the like button if you like this video for the YouTube algorithm, and make sure to leave a comment down below, even if it's a heart. I appreciate you guys. See you next time. Bye.